Hi guys, welcome back. This episode I've just popped out for a bit of a walk and I'm just going to test a new drone, my AirS2, Mavic AirS2. I'm heading down as of the time of this video to Cheddar Gorge for a ride the next day, so I wanted to try it out. So I'm going to go down the fields and sort of part of the trail. Some of the time I usually ride. Plenty of space. It's worth noting I've got a drone license because this is a 500 gram, I think it's 500 gram drone, rather than the smaller ones like 249 where you don't need your license. So I've got the CAA license because I'm in the UK, which means obviously, you know, doing normal stuff you need to keep out of various airspace and away from buildings, people, that sort of stuff. So I'm so unfit, just walking. I'm going to take it up the fields, going to give it a try. Not professional at drone flying by any means, so I want to get a little bit better at doing that, add some more kind of drone footage and stuff like that into my videos, maybe some follow me type stuff in the ride videos as well, and just generally make it a little bit nicer for you, the viewer. So general first impression of just normal flight was good, and now going to try a bit of follow me. Bearing in mind I'm going to be walking, this can track up to a reasonably good speed, so I'm hoping for a unicycle, maybe not at full speed, but certainly if I'm going around some of these trails, just sort of regular pace, might be able to follow me to a certain bit, but anyway give you a bit of extra dimension on some of the rides. So hopefully that's going to be a much added improvement to the channel. The software on the drone seems to be very good. I mean, it's DJI, so the software is generally pretty good on these things anyway. and pretty robust. I do have to adjust the return to home height. I think that went too high to come back where I was, so I need to adjust that before I fly. So again, a bit of a learning curve. And yeah, just I suppose all the bits and pieces you can play around with. I mean, this can do 5.7K up to 30 frames a second, 4K up to 60. Can do a slow motion 120, so that would be fun to sort of test out and see what that can do. Rabbit. And just all the different settings that this little drone could do. Well, lots of little, but good thing is it's still backpack size, so I should be able to drop this in the top of my my backpack when I go riding, so that's quite handy. Thanks for watching, just a small video. Hope you enjoyed the drone footage. Let me know what you think. Sorry, I'm filming this while I'm walking, so it might be a bit jolty. Yeah, hopefully the next video will be the Cheddar Gorge one. We'll see how that comes out. Bye.